Hey everyone, it's Ayana or Artful Aya. I forgot to record an intro, but this is the second part of my photo shoot video. This is the behind the scenes. So, in the last video, I was making this painted vase that I found in Michael's. So now I'm just reinforcing the bottom with hot glue, and I reinforced that styrofoam block so that the plant can stay up. I'm just tapping it so that it can go all the way down, and I'm going to finish painting it. I actually moved on after painting this halfway because I really wanted to get into the painting that was going to be in the photo shoot as well. My pampas grass finally came in. I ordered this on Etsy with the vase from Goodwill. So I'm using a 16 by 20 canvas for this painting today. And yeah, I'm going to speed through this so we can get to the nitty gritty of the behind the scenes. But this is a little bit of me drawing and painting. Here he was telling me I had pampas grass on my eyelash. I was just like, yeah, yeah, oh. But this grass is really just, you really have to spray it with some hairspray because it will get all over the place. Here I had my line sister V bring me the painted vase that I did. I'm going to assemble the plant and this is the final results. I'm going to move it from this plant, but yeah, it came out really nice. I actually finished it in the car. Here's my line sister-in-law. I'm trying to show her how I'm posing. It's definitely helpful to have someone else helping you with the visuals. Here's La again. Her brand is Him Hers. She's a fashion designer, so check her out. I'm gonna link her below. Here I'm stressing the importance of having people with you because my best friend noticed that I had a string on my shirt. I mean, it was part of my shirt and I didn't want to rip it, so I just looped it around. But anyway, she keeps my nails fly. She is the one who did my nails for this shoot and all of my videos. Her name is Claws by Crystal, and I'm going to link her below as well. I know that's right, period. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you all for giving me the views. Stay tuned for what's to come. It's something big. And also stay tuned for next Sunday's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.